Hello and welcome to part 1 of the tutorial on the DEVise JavaScreen visualization tool as used at the BMRB DEVise. This tutorial covers the most important aspects of the JavaScreen user interface. I'm going to illustrate some of the features of the JavaScreen using a fairly simple visualization of nuclear magnetic resonance data. This visualization is basically a scatter plot of carbon-13 versus proton chemical shifts for a particular BMRB entry. DEVise JavaScreen visualizations are made up of what we call views. A view is a rectangular area of the screen that displays symbols corresponding to data records. For this particular visualization, what you might call the main view shows a small blue circle for every proton carbon-13 pair in the NMR data, along with red dots highlighting the data corresponding to the amino acids selected on the left. The top view displays some general information about this visualization. In the view on the left, a DEVise cursor is used to select the amino acids for which we want to highlight the symbols in the main view. The cursor is this rectangular box. As you can see, I can move the cursor by clicking on the place I want it to go. When I move the cursor, different symbols are highlighted here in the main view. This particular cursor can also be resized by grabbing an edge with the mouse. You can see that more symbols are highlighted after I enlarge the cursor. Now I'm going to cover the toolbar, which is an important part of the JavaScreen user interface. So far I've done everything in the default toolbar mode, but a number of other modes are useful in exploring visualizations. I'll start off with Cursor Expand mode, which expands the cursor to fill the entire view when you click anywhere in the view. You can see that all of the symbols in the main view are highlighted once the cursor fills its view. Now I'll go back to default mode and resize the cursor again. Default mode is actually multi-purpose. In default mode you can move and resize cursors, as I've already shown, zoom in on a view, and rotate objects in 3D views, which won't be shown in this video. Now I'm zooming in on the main view by dragging with the mouse. You can see that I've zoomed in on a small area. The next toolbar mode I'll show is Drill Down mode. In this mode, when you click on a symbol, the JavaScreen shows a dialog displaying the data values corresponding to that symbol. The little cross here shows where I clicked. If you drill down on overlapping symbols, the dialog may show data for more than one symbol. Continuing on, the next mode is what we call Home mode. Once you've zoomed in on a view, you may want to zoom back out to display everything there is to see in that view. In Home mode, when you click anywhere in a view, it zooms out to show all of the data in that view. Another useful mode is View Help mode. Many of the visualizations have help information for each view, which gives an explanation of the data the view shows and how it functions in the visualization. When you click on a view, a dialog is shown with the view help info. You can also view a general help document for the JavaScreen by making the appropriate selection in the help menu. The help page has an explanation of all the toolbar modes, a list of keyboard shortcuts, which are not covered in this video, and an explanation of all of the menu options. So that is an overview of the most important aspects of the DEVise JavaScreen interface. Hopefully you're now interested in using this tool, so here's one of the ways to access DEVise visualizations. Go to the BMRB DEVise homepage, www.bmrb.wisc.edu. Then go to the NMR browser and search by whatever criteria you want. In this case, I'm just entering a BMRB accession number. Assuming you enter valid search criteria, you'll get an entry page like this. When you click on the Data Visualizations link, the server will process the data for that entry and generate visualizations. Once the processing is done, you'll see a visualization summary page like this, which has links to all of the visualizations available for that entry. When you click on one of those links, you'll go to a page that has the JavaScreen applet embedded, and it automatically opens the visualization. We hope that you find DEVise JavaScreen valuable and easy to use. If you're interested, please view part 2 of the user interface tutorial.